I was born and raised in Jamaica, where on Sundays we eat very heavy. We have at least two different types of meat, rice and peas, vegetables, and there's a possibility that we may have ice cream later. And on Mondays, we have what we call Sunday Monday, where whatever dinner is left over from Sunday, we eat it for dinner on Monday. So I've been telling myself that on Tuesdays, I'm going to keep it light. However, not because it's light, doesn't mean that I don't want flavor. My salad has to have a little personality. I'm not one of those persons who can eat a salad and just pretend that I'm happy about it. So that's where the cucumber and steak salad comes in. The cucumber and the carrot will add that fresh, refreshing flavor, and then the steak create that balance. This salad is crisp, it's juicy, it's packed with flavor, and it's exactly what you need after eating Sunday dinner. All right, so keep on watching and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I rinse my veggies with some vinegar and salt, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut them up. I would say if you're gonna make this, go ahead and cut them in your desired size, your desired pieces. I'm gonna slice some of mine big, and I'm gonna make some thinner slices. For the carrots, you can julienne them or you can use a grater. I just use a vegetable peeler and just make some slices. I'm adding some corn. Now I have some cherry tomatoes. We're going to rinse them properly and then we're going to slice them up. Now I'm going to make a homemade vinaigrette. You can use mayo, whatever creamy sauce that you want to add to your salad. I'm going to use a vinaigrette. I'm adding some jalapenos to add extra flavor in there, a little bit of kick along with some red pepper flakes. And I am not a big fan of onion, but I want a little of that onion flavor in there, so just a little bit of red onion, and it will also give it a pop of color as well. But I'm chopping mine extremely fine so I don't even have to see them. And then for the parsley, that's gonna add some color. As I am editing this video, I'm looking at my eyebrows. Oh my god, my eyebrows look horrible. I did a horrible job on my eyebrows, like seriously. Wow. Yeah, but I'm still posting this video. So I added some lemon juice, some honey. I didn't have enough honey, so I add a little sugar, a little salt, a little black pepper. Just flavor it as you want. And then we're gonna stir it up, cover it, and set it aside and move on to our steak. Now my skillet is heated. I'm adding some olive oil, and then we're gonna sear the steak on both sides, adding some thyme, garlic, butter, yeah, all that good stuff, and you just cook it to how you want to cook it. You know, growing up, my grandpa was a butcher, so we ate beef about like 90% of the week. If it wasn't beef for lunch, it was beef for dinner. Trust me, at this point I think all the cows knew our family by our name. We ate a lot of beef, we ate a lot of fish and lobster. We're from St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, so we ate a lot of fish and lobster and beef. Those were the three main things that cooked in my house growing up. So I don't really eat a lot of beef nowadays, like very rare. And it's not because I don't like it, I absolutely do. But after a childhood full of beef, I have learned to appreciate it in moderation, right? So meanwhile, my younger self would be looking at this like, where is the rest of the meat? Every time I cook like any form of beef, my memories of my childhood comes back, and I know if my grandpa was here, he would hear the sizzle of the steak and he would definitely be proud of me. Yes, it was so good. It was so juicy. Let me know in the comment section, what is your go-to salad whenever you feel like eating something light? Do you eat a salad? Do you just cut back on your portion? What it is that you do, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, share the video with a friend, and just let me know in the comment section, what next would you like me to try? Is there another salad that you'd like me to try? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and I do hope that you will like the video. Okay, like the video. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your week.